Good morning, everybody. It's 11/11, November 11, and it's probably about noonish now because I've been out here with the electricians and talking to them and getting some stuff organized. So we got electricians going on and putting wire in and all that good stuff. I'm gonna, I think, work on getting plastic off of the windows today and letting some light in the house and some airflow. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that. Even though we put straw and stuff around the base of the house, still some splattered, so I don't know what we're gonna do about that. I think after everything's said and done and everything's in, we'll go along the wall and just spray it all. And I'll probably end up even uncovering the vents and just hit everything so it's just all white. All right, let's get to work. Hey guys, I got all the plastic off all the windows, and I started another project, which was going around and finding the real fat spots that were really far away from the window, or like were big gaps. I put some foam in there. You can see up there too, it's kind of squeezing out. So I'm gonna let that dry, and I started doing caulking at the same time. And now that I started doing it, I kind of realize that it's going to be a bead sticking out here, which could keep my trim from being flush. So I went around and kind of smoothed some of it out and decided that I'll wait to do the trim, the caulking on the trim, and just do it at the same time so it'll squeeze in there and I won't have to worry about. I thought I was being proactive, which is still a good idea when my hands are doing this and I'm just making a mess. So yeah, just putting a bead down the side of every window. I'm putting them all the way around to kind of seal it in, but I think it'll be a good time to do that when I do the trim, put caulking at the same time. My stinking wife, love you darling, wants me to put trim on all these metal pieces that go across too. I'm not real familiar with construction and stuff, so I haven't really looked a lot, but I don't think you're supposed to have to do that. But she thinks it looks unfinished with that there. I think most of the time people just paint it and it blends in, but I guess I will be putting trim on there too, and that I'll probably fill in with some caulking as well, just to make sure no air can seep through there and water doesn't get in there. I mean, that's what the metal piece is for. Water hits above it and hits that metal and goes over. By putting trim on it, it'll probably even ensure more of no water. But the one thing I gotta ask her, I don't know if she's thought about it or not, is we are doing batten on this side. So batten's gonna go all the way up. So does it intersect with this or what? All right, on to the next project. All right guys, I wasn't out here too long today, like 4 hours or something. Plumber came out and did some stuff, that's good. And he thinks he's gonna finish up tomorrow, hopefully. And then my electrician's got a couple more days, they're still here. The problem I'm having is the electric company that's supposed to come out, our electric company, supposed to come out and show us where we can put our breaker box on the outside of the house where it's supposed to go. But unfortunately, because of Helene, there's a lot of people still without power, and a lot of people needing assistance from the power companies, electric companies. And so when I called for them to come out and tell us where we can put it, they said they don't have anybody available until after Thanksgiving. So I might get stuck for a minute and not be able to get inspections. It's not the worst case scenario, I guess. My electricians seem anxious to get the box on and get everything done, so all they'll have left to do is trimming out in the end after everything's up. But he said he can come back another time if I can't get a hold of somebody and finish it up later. So luckily, my electrician lives on the same street as I live, so at least I'm not too far. He could come and finish his day out there or something. Anyway, I am finished up for the day, and I'm gonna go ahead and head home, and I will be back here tomorrow is the plan. Also, today was a holiday. Today is Veterans Day, I think. I think it's 11/11. I haven't even looked. I think I came to that conclusion a few days ago, so I don't know, but I think it is. So things are a little bit slow, and offices are closed and things like that, so can't really go talk to the county or call anybody. All right, we'll hopefully start getting some traction tomorrow. We will see you the next time we're out here.